All right, so we had breakfast. We're left wanting more. Not that it was a good breakfast, it just was so bad that we didn't eat much. It is the morning of Sunday the 23rd, and good morning. We're going down for our breakfast, which is provided at the hotel, and we're gonna give a little bit of that, do a little bit of drone flying, and then our shuttle is picking us up at 8 to take us to Ollantaytambo, and we'll meet the train there. So, calibrating the gimbal right now. We're about ready to go, and there she is, flying a DJI Mavic Pro. And like I said in other videos and online, I'm gonna update you all on the Peru laws. The short and dirty of it is, bring your drones to Peru. You can get them in, and it's gonna be great. There's so many cool things here. I'm really excited to put the drone in the air and see what we can see.
Awesome.
Currently we're in our van on the way to we're gonna go get on our train. We've arrived in Ollantaytambo. There's mosquitoes everywhere, I'm realizing. We thought our driver was running crazy late because he was driving like nuts. He was on 2 different phones. And then, I mean, he sounded like he was pleading with people to get extra time to get us to the train station. We've got like 30 minutes, 40 minutes before we have to board. So we're gonna look around, see if we can't find, there we go, right there, see? Yeah. We're gonna take a look at some of the stuff here before we get on our train. And we'll be then trained from Ollantaytambo to Aguas Calientes. All these shops selling mosquito spray, bug repellent, hats, shirts, walking sticks. That's probably not a bad idea. Everything you could possibly need if you didn't pack accordingly. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
We are on our way up to where?
Machu Picchu.
Aguas Calientes.
Yeah.
Ale oxen free. Alright, so this is the part of the trip that Dad would really like, because we're now on a train. 49 and 40. What's over here? It's like this one alleyway that nobody has gone down. It's like unoccupied. We're gonna head that way, because that's what we do. So let's see, we are exploring Aguas Calientes, and it is hot out. Everyone told us to pack for it to be cold, and to bring layers, and to be prepared to freeze, and we have had to come up with ways to downgrade the gear we brought in order to cool off. So we've got a little bit of drone flying in. So we're exploring Aguas Calientes, and we're gonna go try and find the hot springs. Maybe get an idea for dinner. And if the hot springs aren't totally gross like we've been hearing, we might grab our suits and come back for a soak in the springs. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Look at this, the one cat in a dog town. The one cat in a town full of dogs. He's the bravest cat I've ever seen. Alright, we are in Aguas Calientes. I don't even know if you can hear me over the thing, over what's going on. We're about to check out what looks like a fashion show slash concert slash maybe soccer tournament, and let's go check it out. We stumbled on the Miss Machu Picchu 2018 competition. I think that's what we're into right now, Miss Machu Picchu.